Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn app and configure notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the LinkedIn app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store for your device. For Android devices, this is the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, you will use the App Store. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Once the app appears, tap on it to view more details. Look for the Install button and tap it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the LinkedIn app by tapping on its icon. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually found at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find the Notifications section. Here, you can customize your notification preferences. Choose which notifications you want to receive, such as connection requests and messages. Make sure to enable or disable notifications according to your preferences. After selecting your preferences, exit the settings. You have now successfully configured your LinkedIn notifications. Enjoy networking on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.